Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a haul to share with you guys. So I have Ali, I have scrapbook.com, and I have a new kit that I joined. So first let me share with you Ali. So I picked up these holly berries with leaves. So that'll be fun for Christmas cards. And then I picked up this jar that has all of this Christmas stuff with it. Stinking cute. I love the Genji and that little snowman, and there's a cute bow for the top, candy cane, candies. There's a hat and arms and a scarf for the snowman. There's hearts. There's a Christmas tree. And it says Noel. So that's cute. And then I got this apron set. That was really cute. And then they sent me 2 free dies. They're so funny. So one's a fish and the other one is a word, but it's not an American word. I have no idea what it says. So there's that. Then from scrapbook.com, let me share with you what I got. I got these letters for free. So that was a freebie. And then on clearance, I found some stamens, flower stamens. I found these colors here and these colors. Thought they were so pretty. So I got those. And then I got this Julie netting by Prima, this travel girl. She reminded me of Audrey. I liked all the little extra stuff also with it. She's so cute. And then I picked up this Julie netting bee girl. Love her. And then I picked up this one on clearance from Prima. Let me see if it has a name. No, I don't see one. It just says clear stamp. Yeah. I got this one. Isn't that cute, that little girl? And she's carrying a basket, a book, and a basket of eggs. And then there's a bunny and some chicks, and then some bling up top. I thought it was so cute. It was like $1 or something on their clearance. And then I picked up some 80-pound flat cards. I use this Nina Solar White to do my images. I usually use 110-pound, but I haven't went and got it cut up yet at UPS. So I got me some 80-pound to use because they don't sell anything heavier there. Then I found this 3D textured impressions by Jessica Scott embossing folder. It's called Knitted. I love it. Looks like a sweater. So that'll be fun. Then I found this die on clearance. I thought it was bigger, but we'll see what I can do with it. It's by Penny Black. It's called Cozy. And it's this die right here. Really cute. And then I found this one by Penny Black. It's called A Secret. And it's by Mo Manning. And it says, my lips are sealed and it's a secret. And I love how she's standing. I love her little pants. I love it all. I think she's adorable. And then I picked up this die by Pink Fresh. It's called Fancy Oval Frame. It's an Essentials. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? So I got that. And then I picked up a few paper pads. I picked up this. This is an older paper pad. Does it have a year? Let's see. I'm not seeing a year. It's called, as by Prima, called Sugar Cookie Christmas by Frank Garcia. And I will show you what it looks like. And I think you get like 5 of each sheet, front and back. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at that Santa. Look at those snowmen. I love the back side also. It's nice that they give you 5 of each, so you have enough. You can use front and back. And that's that. Then I got this Lawn Fawn Let It Shine. It has 9 sheets with gold foil. This is really pretty too. So I basically got Christmas paper. So that's what I got. And then I got a gingerbread Christmas. And this one's from Echo Park. Does it have a date? I don't see it. If it does, I don't know. But let me show you it. It's really cute. Did you see those gingerbreads in the tree? Oh, look at those. So cute. This paper is adorable. I think you might get like 3 of each. So, yeah. Yeah, like 3 of each. Really cute. So the new kit that I joined, it's not new to me, I've done it before, but I didn't do it very long. It's called Darcies Heart and Home, and it's an every other month kit. So this is July's kit. So let me show you what came with it. So you get stamps and the 10 pins, and you get paper. Let me show you. So it came with this stamp, and it's red rubber. So it says, hey, goal friend, see you soon. You go, goal. You're my superstar. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. And then you get the 10 pins to go with it. Then you get this one. And it's also red rubber. And it says, I'm crab-solutely serious, you're clawsome. Oh crab, I missed your birthday. You've crabtivated my heart. So cute. And then this one's got to be my favorite. I love that turtle. So it says, of all the fish in the sea, I'm glad you swam to me. Long time no see, it's time to celebrate. So cute. I love that turtle, that crab. And then you get a background stamp that's also red rubber. Then you get some cardstock that's thick. Let me show you the printed ones first. So you get this one. Do you hear how thick that is? It's nice. So you get that one, and they're 8.5 by 11. This one. It's stuck. Okay, that one. So you get 5. And that one. Then you get, I believe, 5 of the solid. Or is it 4? Okay, you get 4 of the cardstock, and it's a good weight, and it's nice paper. It's textured. So you get gray this month. Then you get, along with that, they give you 4 different cards to make with all of the directions, even on coloring, measurements and everything. And then they show you a picture of the card you can make. So they give you 4 of those. And then on top of that, they give you these really big, I'm not gonna be able to fit it in the screen, but you get these Darby Club featured projects, and they come on these construction, like cardstock, I would say. This one's just a piece of paper showing you the 4 projects you can make with the already made construction, or I want to say cardstock. So they already created for you 4 cards, and then you can make it just by cutting it out. Here's the second one, and it's already done. You just cut it out. Here's the third one. It's really cute. And then here's my favorite, of course. It gives you everything you need. So it's $30-something every 2 months. Every other month, I mean. And it's a good deal. I love it, and I'm going to stick with it for a while. Okay, guys, I thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.